In part three of things that I look for when I'm auditing a site, especially when it comes to updating existing content, is Search Console data and how we can use Search Console data to inform specific updates to a piece of content. So let's use one of mine again as a live example, and I can show you two ways that you can go about using Search Console data to update existing content on your website. Well, I don't mind sharing this. This is my Search Console data for a keyword research guide that I published a couple of months back. So if I'm looking in a really competitive area, then this is the type of thing I might want to do every couple of months rather than every sort of 6 to 12 months. So what I'm doing, I'm going into that piece of content. I'm sorting by highest impressions first. Not really worrying too much about the average position. I'm more looking at ones with low clicks, but clearly ones where I'm being shown quite frequently for queries that I'm obviously just not where I need to be yet. So something like global keyword research, I thought that was really interesting because really, you look in the live search results, what that really is referencing, I would say, is international keyword research, like this guide here. And I don't reference that in this guide. This is much more about sort of AI keyword research, general keyword research. So I know I can go in and add a piece of content within a new section for that. But then there might also be, how to do keyword research for SEO and LLMs. So that could live as an FAQ as well as a new section on the site. So this is a really nice way of doing it because you're getting that data directly back from Google where you can see the types of queries that you're being shown for. Okay, they're not traffic drivers, but they're clearly relevant enough to be within your search console. And it's just a really good way of getting data to sort of justify and inform content updates rather than just guessing or just using what everybody else has got. If you're doing a competition sort of analysis gap with similar articles, you're doing something that is very relevant to your site, to your article more specifically, and it's also something that you're getting directly from Google themselves, not a third-party tool.